Alright guys, so I'm gonna do the iPad video that has been requested. Show y'all what I did. It's nothing really special. It's simple and stuff. Alright, so the iPad video. So the mount is just a mount from Scosche. I don't even think they make it anymore. I know I looked online once and I didn't see any, but it's a simple mount. It's just 3M tape taped up, and it fits flush with that. And then it's got these brackets where the iPad just slides in just like that. And that's the iPad. And I just grabbed a USB cable and ran it through the back of the dash all the way down to this the USB connector. So this cable is what connects to that, and just hook up the iPad either with a USB cable or you can hook it up with Bluetooth, and that's how I got it. But it's not, I still retain my factory stereo. I still retain all those features. I just, whenever I back up, I can't see it because I don't have the connector for the iPad and all that. But that's fine. I don't really use the backup camera. But you see, it says it's gonna be on Bluetooth. It's on Bluetooth. So, and like I said, you can also, it won't show, but usually the USB will pop up right here if I connect the iPad on there. But that's pretty much it. And I mean, it's like plugging up a phone or anything like that, but with this mount, like I said, it's from Scosche. I don't know if y'all can see it good. Nah, it's hard to see, but it's just a plate. If they don't sell it, I'm pretty sure you can make your own and just put double-sided tape, put it right here, and that's it. Same thing, just route your cable or use it to play through Bluetooth or anything like that. But that's it, guys.